Hello student, chapter number 5, lines and angles. In that today we revise short questions. Okay, in that fill in the blanks. So first fill in the blanks. Dash is the figure formed by two rays sharing a common endpoint. Two rays are there like that. Look, two rays and common endpoint. That one is angle. Okay, that is an angle. Okay, an angle whose measure is exactly 180 is called 180 degree, means that is straight angle. Straight angle, we know that the type of angles. Okay, that is straight angle. Measure of two complementary angle add up. Complementary angle means whose total two angles are there, and if total of that two angle is 90 degree, that is called complementary angle. Okay, same measure of two supplementary angle add up to, supplementary means that is 180 degree. Okay, number 5, measure of an angle which is supplement of an angle of 130. Okay, sum of two angle is 180, that is called supplementary. Okay, and one is 180, the second one is total is 180 minus 130, that is 50, means second one is 50 degree, because total is 180 in supplementary angle. Okay, angle AOC and angle DOB are vertically opposite angle. If AOC is 50, then DOB is, so in vertically opposite angles, both angles are equal in measurement. Okay, so measurement of one is 50 degree, the second one is also 50 degree. Clear? If two lines intersect each other, dash pair of vertically opposite angles form. Two angles, two lines like that. Okay, so look, first pair these two angle and second one is these two, means total two pairs. Okay, otherwise two pairs of vertically opposite angle form. Two lines lying in the same plane that do not intersect are called, two lines if do not intersect means they are called parallel lines. Okay, two lines do not intersect each other, that is called parallel lines. Dash has neither starting point nor end points, means it has no end point, that one is a line, because line has no end point, it's endless in both direction, in both of side. Okay, number 10, dash has one end point, that is ray, because it has only one end point in any one direction, it's endless, means it goes continuously. Okay, so that is ray. Ray PQ is represented, okay, PQ, that is PQ, and here you just write down sign of ray, means small sign of ray. Okay, if line segment is there, just write down line sign, symbol of line segment. Ray is there like that, that is ray. Okay, AB and AC form, look, AB and AC, two rays are there, and first one is starting point, so both are having common starting point, and two rays are there, so that is our first fill in the blanks. Look, here A is there, that one is AB, and here AC, so angle is formed. And what is the angle? BAC, otherwise CAB, angle BAC. Okay, if two angles are supplementary as well as vertically opposite angle, then each angle measures, two angles are supplementary means total is 180 because they are supplementary. and both are vertically. Vertically means they are equal in measurement. Okay, so what is the measurement of each one? Equal means divided by 2, that is 90, means measurement of both one is 90 degree. Okay, if two parallel lines are intersect by a transversal, then a pair of alternate angles is, so we know that if two parallel lines are there and one transversal is there, that time different angles form. In that the alternate angles, measure of alternate angles are equal. Okay, they are alternate angles are equal. Okay, so pair of alternate angle is equal. The supplementary angle of right angle measure is, right angle means 90 degree. Same here, look, supplementary angles of 90 degree. Okay, total is 180 and 1 is 90, and 180 minus 90, that is 90. So angle is 90 degree. Next one is, if two lines intersect each other at right angle, dash pair of supplementary angles form. Okay, two angles are there and they intersect at 90 degree, like that. Okay, 90 degree, all angles are 90 degree when they intersect at 90 degree. Okay, so pair of, what is a supplementary angle? The first two angles, these two are supplementary. Same here, supplementary, supplementary, supplementary. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Same, these two and these two. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 1. Same, 1 and 3, 2 and 4. Okay, so total how many pair of supplementary form? Total 6 pairs. Okay, when transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal is interior angle to the same side of transversal. Okay, what is the total of, they are not equal, but total of that two equal to 180. 180 means they are supplementary. Okay, so they are supplementary angles. Okay, next one is, dash has two endpoints, that is line segment. We know that line segment has two endpoints. Dash linear pair of angle are formed by two intersecting line. Okay, two intersecting line, like that. Look, two line intersecting each other, like that. How many linear pairs? So nearest 1, 2, 3, 4. Nearest two angles are linear. So 1, same here, second, third and 4, means total 4 pairs. Okay, and last one is, the supplement of an acute angle is always dash angle. Acute means that is less than 90 and total is 180. Total is 180. If both are equal means they are 90 and 90, right? But one is less than 90, second one is more than 90, because total is 180 and more than 90 means that is obtuse. Okay, so if one is acute, the second one is always obtuse in supplementary angle. Okay, so here total 20 fill in the blanks are there. You just write down all the fill in the blanks in your notebook. Okay, in next period we solve the long question of chapter number 5. Okay, thank you.